I feel like you don't have a chance to go nuclearly viral unless I kind of have to address some things with you in terms of low views, and there's some things that I found. Some of our moderators, Heather did a good job, Twig did a good job, and some other people who sent me some information as well has got me kind of down the rabbit hole of trying to figure out where these views are going. Now, as you guys know, I'm doing my 30-day challenge, and maybe right now is the worst time to try to do a 30-day challenge, as they have, they're really siphoning a lot of views for TikTok Shop and some other places. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that, show you that, guys, that stuff right now. Now, I just put out a story that I got from Twig. Twig sent it over to me this morning, where it pretty much says when you sign up for TikTok Shop. Let me see if I can pause it. Yeah, it says right there. If you guys, I'll see if I can move this a little bit for you. Your videos may get more exposure for free. So, I mean, like, they're literally just telling us. They're pretty much telling us that if you use TikTok Shop, you are going to increase your views. And that makes sense for them as a business. I get that. But it makes sense for where a lot of our views have gone as well. And so here's my theory right now. I feel like you are going to get the baseline amount of views that you would normally get before you would go viral. And there's a few things that are triggering that emotion for me. One of them is I'm going to show you Aaron right here. He put out a banger video about the caffeinated ramen that's coming out, okay? And so this video has 220 some thousand views, but it has 16,000 shares. That's like 8% share rate. This thing should be going nuclear. It only has 200,000 views. It's got 21,000 likes. Like, I mean, you're looking at, I don't know, 14% engagement rate, 8% share rate, and it's not going anywhere, right? He doesn't have it linked there. Doesn't have anything in the TikTok Shop linked there. So, and that's just one example, but I'm really starting to think that we're pretty much getting, for the most part, we're kind of getting the amount of views that would be our baseline. So if you've been stuck at 200 views and your videos, have been getting 200 views, you're pretty much going to be stuck at 200 views. And if your baseline, like my baseline was usually like, my normal was like 8 to 15,000. And right now I've been stuck at about 6,000. Let's see, my last four, I had 12, 11, 8, so that's pretty good, but 8, 11, 12, but 4, 4, 5, 2, 6, 4, and then my new one I just posted today is about 1,000. But right now, it seems like you're just slowly grinding to your baseline and really not doing. It feels like right now, and I don't know if you guys feel the same way either. It feels like you have virtually no chance to like get that chance to go viral right now, and it's just that everything's burning so slow. I even look at some of my colleagues, Rachel Peterson. She put out some banger videos for her in terms of her format. And I watched them as they were right when they came out. I watched them 3-4 minutes after they posted. Her numbers, her metrics were really good. And this was 3 days ago, and she's at 25 and 24K. But her videos are even 4, 5, 5, 3, 8, 5. This one got 41K. 4, 7, 14, 4, 2, 4, 11, 3. But she's verified and has 1.2 million followers. So she gets, when you're verified, you get that little added trust. And I feel like you're just pretty much getting to that baseline, but you don't have that chance to go absolutely nuclear, okay? Now, where did all those views go? And I think those views went to TikTok Shop and series. And so I'm going to show you guys a couple examples here. This was sent last night from one of our moderators as well, Heather, and she sent it to me about this guy who looks like he's testing out these series and commissions as well. Looks like it's his series here. So when we go to his account, you guys can see over here, he's got 627,000 followers. He gets a lot of views, right? And so he went on a streak here. I'm going to go to just watched down here, but he had 6.7 million here. He had 3 million here. And so when we scroll back a little bit, his baseline looks like it's like 300, 126, 24, 3, 113, 71, 64, 82. Here's a 1.4 million banger right there. 131 to 3.7. 400, 90, 70, 400. But his account, this was in June or July, by the way. But let's scroll back to where we are more now. This video that I just saw was from September 1st, right? And so as you can see on the bottom of this video, he's gonna have this how to grow on social media fast. And if you click that, it's his series, right? It's his series. I mean, I don't even really think he wants you to buy it, to be honest with you. I really think he made it more for the ability to share it and get views from it, right? And so this video tagged it 9.1, 3 million, 299, 422, 278. This one didn't tag it. It got 136. He didn't tag it. I got 200 here. 2.3 million. He didn't tag this one. 2.3 million. He tagged this one. 2.1. He didn't tag this one. But it appears that this and the rest of these he didn't do up here, I don't believe. I think he's going to where he's not testing them anymore. And for the most part, his views look a little bit lower. 41, 90, 46, 64, 109, 53, 51, 47, 35. And so I don't know if how much he's testing and how much he's not. But I'm seeing much more views out of the ones where he's promoting the series for TikTok. But like I said, I still with that theory of I think people are getting the baseline views of what they would get. In most accounts, if they don't have the trust, they have no chance to go nuclearly viral. I think his account has a lot of trust because he does go nuclearly viral a lot. So I think they are going to continue to reward the accounts that are already doing well and already getting views. Because if I go on my For You page, I feel like a lot of my content is like super viral content from like, I follow a lot of sports stuff or golf stuff, some social stuff, but like I feel like I'm seeing a lot of actual viral content on the For You page lately and not so much the newer stuff and or the people. Like I don't always see the people that I watch a lot right now on my For You page, but I'm seeing a lot more viral content. Now this is another example here. She did this with the actual TikTok shop, okay? And she didn't like talk about the product at all. The only thing she did was tag the products. This one got 700k views. She has 94. And so these 4 videos, this one's new, so I really don't count this one, 3,700. But this one went 701. She didn't tag it on this one. It got 2,000. This one she did tag it. It got 7,000. This one she tagged it. It got 11.9. And then nothing else she's tagged. 5, 6, 5, 5, 7, 6, 5, 9, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 2, 3, 3, 8, 11.8 with that one. But you don't have a chance to go nuclearly viral unless you tag a product. If you see what I mean. And it makes sense with the way that they have everything set up, because if they they have to get that traffic from somewhere. They got to get those views from somewhere. So if they cap everybody at their baseline, they have a ton of traffic that some of us used to go viral from every once in a while, and get more views just in general. I feel like they're siphoning that all to the growth of TikTok. They're trying to keep people happy enough to where they're getting their baseline views, but nothing has a chance to go nuclear right now. And so I don't know how they're going to play the game in terms of keeping people happy and all of that, because I'm finding out on YouTube long form videos, the YouTube long form videos are kind of feeling like TikTok, where they really have a chance to rip lately. And it doesn't matter how many subscribers or anything you have on YouTube, you really have a chance to go viral at any point in time. There's a bunch of new channels that are getting like 30,000 subscribers on 4 or 5 videos, and like 50 to 100,000 subscribers on 1 or 2 good shorts videos on YouTube. So, it's kind of like I said, I know all the platforms trade back and forth in terms of that kind of reach, but right now TikTok is like you virtually literally have no chance to break out. And actually, I feel like that on my 1 Minute Creator Club video account that I do my 30-day challenge on, I feel like this account has no variety to it. It has no like chance. It doesn't feel like there's a chance. To be honest with you, I reposted a viral video that went nuclear on this app. And I actually took it to CapCut and I cut it some, and I made it go forward and backward instead of just one way. I made it go forward halfway and backward halfway, right? And so that video right there got like, I don't know, 5-6 million views. There's no reason. Like I said, I took it into CapCut, I made it faster, and I cut it, put it forward, and put it back, and exported it from CapCut. So there's no way that TikTok knows that it would be a repost. And so, and I put different music behind it, and there's just, yeah, they don't know that it's a repost. And it got 278 views. I feel like I was testing it in terms of just how well the algorithm is doing, right? And then I copied some of my different scripts, and I did some really high quality video, some really high quality editing and such, and in different ways, and even used some scripts and stuff from some videos that went pretty viral that didn't have a ton of quote unquote copycats in my niche. And so I grabbed some really hot topics in video editing and CapCut tutorials, and it feels like it has no chance right now, no matter what I put out. And I put the same thing out on TikTok growth sometimes as I do on that one, just to test it. Like this one, I put this one out, this one on TikTok growth, where it has 2,600 views, which is still low. And I put the same thing on here, and I updated a little bit and re-exported in CapCut, and this one has 200 views, right? And so I feel like we're just capped. We're just capped to where we're at. But my solution is that we're going to tag TikTok Shop if you can get it, or create a series, which I think is even less demanding than what the requirements are to get a TikTok Shop. Now this is the third one here. I'm going to go to this account here, Track and Fields, okay? And so Track and Fields, where's the video I just watched? So this one has 4.4 million. They literally tagged some product that is like a fake product. They are a fake series. Like they have 15 seconds, a 15-second video in there, letting everybody know that they don't even really want you to buy it. They're just doing it so that they can promote it, so that they can promote it. And then they have, I don't know if I can, yeah, here's their series. Here's their other, they literally are just making BS products and just putting them on the shop, pushing the limit. But this is the one. And so nobody's going to buy it, but they spam, but they put this pushing the limit. They put all these different products on these videos to get more views. Right? And so that's what they're doing. 69K. Like this all, like let's talk about this for a second. How in the heck does this video right here have 984 likes, 1 comment, 258, 27 shares? Okay. And then it has 69,000 views. 69,000 views. 69,000 views with not even 1,000 likes. That doesn't even make sense, because if at 10%, that would be 6,900 likes at a 10% engagement rate, right? And that's the kind of engagement rates that you need to go viral. Just like I showed you earlier with Aaron, he's got 8% share rate. And so, a 10% share rate would be 6,000, 4,000 shares. This has 27 shares, but it has 69,000 views. Same here, 1,500, 461 and 54, but it has 57,000 views. This has 66 shares, 1,800. There's no way. That one doesn't even have any. But there's no way. The only thing that I see that is different here is the series in the TikTok shop.